2002 Toyota Camry V6. Got factory converters all the way around. Got a factory resonator. Then 2 1/4 tailpipe, or intermediate pipe, sorry guys. And we continued it and put a dual tip out the back with a muffler delete. Right there. As you guys can see, there's the muffler we deleted. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Toyota Camry. It's got that DC Sport tip. If we can find the link in the description, we'll let you guys, we'll link it. You want it louder? Louder? Again, give it gas. Toyota Camry.